Hey, what's up? It's Will from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to add reverb, echo and delay in Audacity. First of all, we can record some voiceover over here. Now I'm recording this voice over here so you can hear the reverb, echo and delay. Okay, if I hit play, okay, I can trim this and this. Now I'm recording this voice over here so you can hear the blah blah blah. Okay, and now we selected our clip. Go to effect, go over here that says delay and reverb, and we have delay, echo and reverb. Everything is here. So let's try delay. Over here you can go with a regular bouncing ball or reverse bouncing ball, for example, and change this level over here. Now I'm recording this voice. Okay, you can increase the delay per second. Now I'm recording this voice over here, so and just hit apply when you are done. Okay. Another thing, we'll go to effect, we go delay and reverb, we go to echo, and over here you can change delay time in seconds, preview. Now I'm recording this. Okay, this is very simple, just hit apply when you are done. And the last one is our reverb. Go to reverb, and before you start to changing this over here, you can go to presets and settings, factory presence, and for example go to the large room, and it will automatically change the settings for you. Now I'm recording this, and when you're done, hit apply, and you are good to go. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, or check out the playlist below in the description for more Audacity tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.